You'd be surprised. Oh shit!
I just taped these. These are spares for you. There's 4 chrome ones, so don't lose those.
Because you'll never get them again.
Ever.
Oh shit! It looks so pretty.
That should look good on the car.
Looks so pretty.
Did you want me to measure it? You said measure something.
I just want to know the offset of the rear.
Oh, rear? You know the front already?
The front's because we didn't change anything.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, let me measure that.
Oh. Front, back, side to side. Oh, shit. So, yeah, they're 18 by 5 in the front and 18 by 7 in the rear because I'm going to run 2 15s on the rear and 165s on the front. Got that camber life, that stretch life. Is that what it is?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, that sounds like some BS. Don't do that, kids. Be safe. Run real tires. So 265, 35s on the front, 3 15 30 on the rear. That's how we do it when you want to be an adult. Didn't plan on picking these up today, but I'm going to make room. Surprise! It's not even my birthday. Like 6 years ago. So, holding on to this one from my personal car. And we're going to be taking this to the paint shop. So, they look similar. So this is the original Nissan 99 spec. And this is the Escort Racing front bumper. Difference has a built-in little lip right here. And it has a full under tray. So, real bumper. Not some knockoff trash